This two-door, four-passenger coupe is waiting for you to take home. Infiniti made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all four corners. All of the premium features expected of an Infiniti are offered, including power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, and air conditioning. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.